Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing this Bluetooth thermal printer that works with iOS, Android, Windows, Mac, and Linux. So this printer right here is offered in 3 different colors. You've got green, gray, and pink. So I did get the gray color. This one does work with papers that are 8.5 by 11 inch US letter, as well as the A4. So this is the inkless, so you do not need any ink. This can be traveled with you. So I actually started printing things from my phone, which I will show you later in the video. This is a nice printer. You don't need any ink. The data cable is connections with the computer. So if you want to connect to a computer, you would use the provided cable that is included. This shows you how to install the printer to a computer. So it shows you the preparations. It supports 2 paper loading methods. You've got the automatic paging multiple paper printer, and then it also has a built-in paper box, which saves time and money. So right here is just some more instructions on how to connect to a Mac, a Windows, a Linux, and as well as mobile devices. So you would use the Bluetooth method to connect to your Bluetooth device. This is a total weight of 658 grams, which is a bottle of mineral water, but is super light. The A4 portable printer is a built-in stopper to adjust a paper slot with, which can be flexibly switched to print on thermal paper of a 2.216 millimeters, 210, 107, 77, 57, and US letters, A4, 4-inch, 3-inch, and 2 inches wide. So this one right here is the built-in. If you do not want to use a built-in, you can remove this and use the other paper that they have that you would print it in the back. You'll slide it in and from the back to the front. But this one here is very convenient, especially if you want to use it for your mobile devices and you don't want to lug around a bunch of paper. So this portable printer uses the advanced technology printing without the cost of ink, toner, or ribbon, which will save you money in the long run. So this one is about 1.45 pounds and the height is 10.5 inches by 1.8 inches width. It supports multiple sizes of paper. Paper roll maximum diameter is 30 millimeters, so it does the 8x5, A4, 107 millimeters, 77 millimeters, 57 millimeters that will fit right up in here. This is compatible with Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS. So this is the power button. You will hold that down to turn the power on. And then when you want to connect it to your computer, you'll just plug it in right there, as well as connecting to charge it. So the battery gets a really long battery support. So the accessory that you do get, you get the Type-C charging cable. So it is a Type-C to a USB. So unlike my MacBook, it does not have a USB port, but thankfully this does come with an adapter. So this adapter plugs into here, so it makes a USB to plug into a Type-C into your computer. So when you want to charge it, you would just use the adapter, remove that, and plug it into a power bank or into the wall. So this is everything that you get. What I'm going to do is I'm going to download the app. So in the app, it does give you templates that you can use. So right here is the app to download, or you can just go to the App Store and follow the code download here, or look up the name. So I'm going to go ahead and download that right now, and then I'll come back. So I'm going to open up my camera and I'm going to scan the QR code, and it should pop up the app, which called, let me see what it's called, Perry Page. So we're going to go on Get Download. So it's going to open up the App Store, click on Get. So we're going to click on the Get, wait for that to install. I'm going to double click this because it's going to ask for my face just to do it, to unlock it. So right now we're just going to wait for it to download. Once it downloads, we're going to go open it up so I can show you all the different templates. So right now we're opening it up. So it's going to open up and ask you for your language. I'm going to click on English, and then we're going to click on the button Next, which is this green button here. So it'll give you a little tutorial. This tutorial will show you how to use it. So you got different document types, you got pictures, you got documents, you got templates in this app right here. So we're just going to go right outside of these tutorials, and then we want to scan for a document or go into templates. So it goes click plus to add a printer. So this is where you're going to add your printer. You want to make sure that it is connected to your Bluetooth on your phone. So right now mine is pulling up the Perry Page. This is printer, so my printer is now connected. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go into a template. We're going to pick a template just to print it out just for demonstration purposes. So you get a lot of these templates here. We're going to click on, okay, not this one. Let's go back and try another one. This one wasn't working. So we're going to go and try another one. So we got to go back into the templates. And once we select a template, you're going to go ahead and click print. So right now it's going to print this template. It'll ask you what kind of paper size do you use. You got the one that's already inside, or you got the one that you put in the back. So right now I'm just going to send it to the printer, and the printer will start scanning it and it start printing out. So you can hear that it is not loud. And as you can tell, this is not super loud. It is very quiet. I like the fact that it is portable. You can print anything from any desktop computer or as well as your mobile devices, cell phones or tablets. It does print out pictures, but the only thing, it does come out black and white because this is a thermal printer. It is not a photo printer, but it does print out. As you can see, it looks really nice. There is no runny ink. You don't need no ink or ribbon or anything like that to replace. You've got the little teeth right here to remove the paper. So you can see the little teeth right there. It removes the paper. So you can either use the paper that's inside, or you can take the other paper that just goes right up in here and you pull it out to the front and it uses that. But if you do not want to carry paper with you, they do give you the option of the rolled paper that is already included. If you're looking for a nice thermal printer, I would highly recommend checking this one out. This one is super lightweight. The battery lasts a long time and it is easy to take with you. So if you're looking for a thermal printer, I would highly recommend checking this one out.